This is ELH4X4 doing stuff. Today we're working on a 2014 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter. We're doing preventive maintenance today by replacing the serpentine belt. So come on along. Alright, first we'll start by taking off the, I don't know what you would call it, I guess like the noise dampener for the intake. We have two breather hoses, one on either side. You can't even see that, can you? So we'll take off this. This one. Loosen that up. Loosen this one up. And that way it'll give us an easier access to the serpentine belt. Get you back up there. It's 8mm on these hose clamps. Alright, on this one particular, they want to know alternator, air conditioning's running on a separate I forget what it was, but the one I got was specifically for just the alternator, and I think they had a water pump. So just water pump and alternator. And there was like some other options. I just grabbed the number off the belt and ordered that one online. Got a genuine AC Delco replacement part. 126260076. Alright, so relieve some tension on this idler pulley and pull it off. And not really worry about how it goes back on because there's only really one way that it can go on. Now if I had multiple pulleys and whatnot, I would take a picture of it and you know, use a picture for reference later. This one doesn't seem to have the pulley schematic like some vehicles do. If you don't have a handy dandy idler pulley tool, you can just use a 1/2 inch drive ratchet. Let's see, we take some tension off of that. Go. And of course, they don't really give you much room to work with. Well, it slides right off. that's what I used to reference the part number 126-26076. 6PK1814. Made in the USA. Yep. Same. Alright. Install reverse order. So I had to turn it sideways to fit it in between the water pump housing and this idler pulley. So sorry for knocking you over, trying to give you guys a better view. See if I can do that one hand, because that was a lame-o spot to put you guys. Yeah, that's not going to work. Alright, anyway, let's see if we can do this. Make sure it's lined up on the pulleys. There we go. There's that. Yep. All right. Ah. I'm trying not to block you guys, which is making it extremely difficult for me. But enough of the whining. Okay. That easy. And that's all it is. Now, I'll just take this belt, and since it's still reasonably, I mean, it has 70 some odd thousand miles on it, but it's not cracked or anything. So I'll just take this, throw it under the back seat, and use it as a spare. All right, everything looks good. I'm going to start it up here and see how it's running. But I'm going to hook this up first. It should be all right. So. clip over on that side. Alright, there's that. There's that. Alright, snug it down, you ain't gotta kill it. Alright, be back after I start it. Alright, no issues. Other belt was causing a pulley to kind of jump a little bit. This one seems to be running pretty smooth. Thanks for watching ELH4X4 doing stuff. Today it was about 35 degrees out. I'm getting ready to take a little travel somewhere, so I just wanted to do some preventive maintenance with the serpentine belt. Now I got a spare. Leave a like, share, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you for the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, till the next one. Have a great day.